everybody, welcome to my channel. A lot of greetings from Alanya, this beautiful place. And in this video I will tell you how to come very cheap to the castle. It's a big, very beautiful castle, and to come there is a few ways, and now I will tell you how to go there very cheap. So we have a map here. So the first what you can take there some light rail. So we have a map here, and the start is from this place at the information. It's the tickets. The price for the tickets it's 52 Turkish lira. It's about €8 for two people, but only one way, because back we walked back. The second is you can go by bus. So the bus is number 4. This one you see castle, and the bus station is in near the information, but I'm not sure. The bus is about one time in an hour, but it's very cheap. You can go there and go back, walk. Also you can take a taxi. It's around €6 for one person, or for a car. I'm not sure because I didn't go by taxi here. Also you can walk here, but it's I'm not recommend to you, because if it's very hot, it's a very terrible thing. If you walk in here, better go back. So friends, I hope my information was helpful for you, and welcome to Alanya. Bye bye.